Venom back, baby! What up, guys? Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and today, a little spontaneous, but we're gonna go drive the truck. The streets are dry. It's still snowy out there, but the streets are dry and not wet with salt. So we are going to go drive the truck to make sure the boost controller is working properly now, and to check out this new size exhaust housing, because you guys know I went to a 1.1 instead of a 1.32 for faster spool times. We're going to turn the boost up. So today's going to be kind of crazy. So the first thing we got to do is we got to get that power wire ran better. As you guys can see, it's hanging on the ground. We're going to just zip tie it up out of the way for now, and I'll run it way more professionally when I'm actually driving the truck and I drop the fuel system out of it. But right now we're still on the stock fuel system with the Walbro 450 and the 69-pound injectors, which it was tuned on before. So I'm extremely excited, so I'm gonna get right to it and start running this wire better. And then we're gonna start the truck up, let it warm up, and then we're gonna go take it on the street, go drive that baby. All right, guys, we got the power wire ran. We got everything back together. We got the wheels on it. I'm gonna retorque them just to be sure. We got the back of the truck cleaned out. Checked oil level, checked coolant level, checked, yeah, that's about it. But look how dusty this thing is. I think we're gonna take it out, and I think we're gonna wash it, and I think we're gonna go rip it, see how it does. All right, guys, we're sitting in the truck. This is gonna be the first startup after it's sitting for probably 3-4 months. What does it say? March? 5 months? 4 months? 5 months? I don't know. B. All right, here we go. Damn, she's lean. Sitting so long. We got a bunch of lights on. Feels like it's misfiring. Good day. Good day. No, I shouldn't sit so long. For a little bit, see if she clears herself out. Again, it's been sitting for 5 months, so sounds like it's running decent. Venom back, baby! I use my line lock as a parking brake. It works very well. Ooh. You guys are sliding around. You're back in the right spot there. Oh shit. You guys are down there now. Oh dude, she's supposed so much fast. You can tell.
With that smaller housing
on there.
It's got
smaller housing on it, and the boost controller is actually doing something.
Yeah.
You know what the problem was? It was off. Yeah, the whole time. When it blew up, because it was off. That's why it wasn't working.
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, why is she running so much? Back down.
Are you running on the AEM solenoid, the one that it came with?
Yeah.
Okay.
It works.
Yeah, no, for sure.
All right. I just want to see what boost is at right now. Oh my god, did you hear the blow off?
Hey, that's pretty rich, dude. Oh no, it's not there. Oh hey, she's running 12. on like 12s, 11s. That was pretty good.
Yeah, you just want to watch that? I'm gonna watch that.
Yeah.
Yell at me if you see like 13.
16 or
No,
13.
like 13.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, 13 on this right.
Damn, dude, she's on 6 pounds, only on 10% duty cycle.
It's not bad, man.
That's nothing, dude. And she's got no timing in her. It has literally 16 degrees of timing in it.
Oh, you hit a 14 for a second.
Holy fuck, we are shredding the tire. Oh. Woo! It's on 6 pounds.
Oh yeah. Let me know.
Oh, my Mustang.
Jesus! That smoke!
You're drifting, baby! That smoke!
When you drift a truck and it feels like it's gonna fall over.
Bro, it doesn't have a front sway bar, so it's like,
Wait! Wait!
So yeah, guys, I think we're gonna call that a video. Boost controller works because we were on about 6.57 pounds of boost, and if you could hear in the videos, the wastegate opening, because you'd hear it just like wah, wah, wah. That's not me letting off the throttle. That's the wastegate underneath right here, opening up and letting that exhaust out. But thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Keep boosting.